Hey everybody, Jay and A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now we got a good one today. It's a 2025 Jayco Jay Feather, model number 24RL. The length on this Jayco Jay Feather is 28 feet. The dry weight is 5,670 pounds, and that hitch weight is 675, with a GVWR of 7,000 pounds.
Yes, so let's start right up here. He was telling you about the hitch weight, but now if you guys have ever been concerned about securing your travel trailer or fifth wheel or any type of trailer, hang around to the end of this video. We want to share a really great product with you.
And we also like to thank Proven Industries for partnering with us.
Yes. Now right up here you are going to have an electric jack on this one. Your propane bottles will go under this cover, and your batteries are going to mount right back here. Now, the pass-through storage on this one is locked, but we're going to show you one right next to it so you can get an idea of what your pass-through storage is going to look like. Actually, very well done.
Yeah, now, we're at the mercies of the dealership. So.
Yes, we don't have a key on this one. Now, on this one, we wanted to show you this one for a few different reasons. But let me show you some of these outside features. Your dump area is going to be there. Your pull handles are right next to it.
Ooh, good years.
Yeah, they do have good years, and this has the Exact by BAL suspension. Your one slide here.
It is rack and pinion also.
Yes, it is. And
50 amp camper.
Right back here at the back, you are going to have a ladder to access your roof. It is prepped for a backup camera. You do have a receiver hitch down here, but it is not wired for towing, so this is going to be for accessories only.
And if we're a little loud, we're right up next to the highway.
We are next to the highway, so we're sorry about that, guys. Thankfully, this door is open, so we can show you this. You are going to have a little mini kitchen out here with a fridge and a griddle.
Oh, yeah. I like that. Uh-oh.
Now, the suspension, not the suspension, the stabilizers on this are the, oh, what are these called? The drop, yeah, those.
Yeah, something like that.
That we don't know how to operate, but
we don't have them.
We don't have those, but they're not power. But right next to that, you do have a sewer caddy to put your hose in.
Tankless water heater.
Tankless water heater.
I don't know if did you show all the goodies back there?
So you've got all kinds of neat stuff back here. You've got a plug-in. You do have USB with a USB-C. You have a little outside shower area. I'm not really sure why you have a hook right there. I guess to hook the hose on. Maybe.
It could be.
To hold it up.
Okay.
If anybody else has this particular unit, let us know what you use those hooks for.
One more time. Tankless
water heater.
Booyah!
Do you know how long the awning is?
20 feet.
All right, you do have a power awning. It is 20 feet. You have outside speakers. Normally we would show you the other side of the pass-through, but unfortunately this one is locked. So let's go inside and take a look. Now, something else we need to tell you about this one. This particular floor plan is going to be dealer stock only. So if you guys like this one, you may have to do a little research to find a dealership that still has this on the lot. According to their Jayco's website, it's dealer stock only.
Yes.
So you won't be able to order this one.
Now also, tell them that
we almost bought one of these.
Almost bought this exact floor plan. And
that's one of the reasons I wanted to show it to you guys. If you have a half-ton truck like we did when we were shopping, this is going to be actually a really good option. I will tell you there were two reasons that we did not choose this one.
You want to hold that to the end?
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do that to the end.
Yeah. Hang around if you want to know why we didn't choose this one. We'll tell you at the end. But across the top, you have got some awesome storage up here. I mean, it's just really great storage. Your theater seat is going to be right at the back with a nice big window. Great storage down here for your remotes, cup holders on both sides, and you've got this neat little...
This is actually, that's new.
Yes, now this was
This
not
was
in the
not
one that
on-
we were looking at. But yes, you got some plug-ins and a USB and also USB.
Wow.
Then you've got lots of counter space up here. Now this is not going to be solid surface in here, but you do have a lot of space.
Well, I wanted you to look at the TV, but never
Well, I
mind.
will in just a minute.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Now in your kitchen area, you got some really great cabinets up here.
Yeah.
You have a pop-up
Oh,
power
yes.
power tower.
Power of tower. Tower of power.
Yes.
Yes.
Big window here, so if you're standing here at the sink, you can look out over your campsite. Some great
Very
drawers
nice
here.
drawers.
Yeah, a little bit of storage underneath there. This is going to have a split sink in it.
Oh, yeah.
High-rise faucet with a sprayer.
For those people that like
Yes, for those who like the split
Split
sink, this
sink.
has got it. So if
Yeah.
you find one of these, you better grab it. Going on into the kitchen, you got your microwave up here. Really nice Envision hood.
Ooh,
I
nice
love the
lights.
curve.
Oh,
Got a place
knife
for
rack.
your knives back there. We do not travel with that many knives.
no.
Maybe we should. You're going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and there is going to be a drawer underneath.
Oh, wow.
And you'll notice that Jayco has gotten away from vents in the floor, so your
Yes.
heating is going to be there in the cabinetry. Now, finishing out your appliances, you've got a 12-volt compressor fridge with the freezer at the bottom.
Yes.
Now,
That's pretty cool.
you wanted me to sit in the theater seat, so we're going to sit in the theater seat.
You know, this is not bad when you're sitting across from the TV.
No, it's not. So this is going to have a 32-inch already in here. You do have some storage up above it. And you've got a little, like a mantle underneath with some more storage. Your radio control is hidden in there. And a nice little electric fireplace. And I kind of glanced at it while he was standing up. So there's your AC unit. And then you're going to have a dinette with storage underneath, and this will make into additional sleeping if you need it. And the table can be moved around as needed. Love the blackout shades.
Blackout shades all the way around.
All the way around.
Yes. Well, except for here. It's got to have the
Yes, it's
Got
got to
the-
have the metal because
yeah.
it's close to the
stove.
stove.
Yep.
All right.
Oh, little shoe garage down there, ain't it?
And I'm not sure how we're going to be able to show this because this is coming right in the door. So this is going to be like your pantry area, or you can use it for hanging. You could probably add an extra shelf in here if you need to.
Yeah. Okay. Bathroom.
Bathroom. Your bathroom is going to have 2 entries.
Oh, there's a light. Oop, let me step around here.
So this does have, let me get around here, a radius shower. Does have a skylight, so now Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so he's going to have the headroom. But now the radius shower is not going to give you quite as much elbow room, so I think this is probably a 32, or is this
Yeah, probably about 34.
maybe a 34.
Yeah.
And there is a little bit of a step up getting into it.
Well, I hate to say it, but this is not going to get the golden
Not going to
plunger.
get the plunger on this one.
Nope.
But now above your foot flush toilet, you do have this shelf. You can roll some towels up, and you got some hooks. They actually have your toilet tissue already in place. You do have a mirrored medicine cabinet over here with a towel rack, towel holder, towel.
That is actually pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah. Not a huge amount of space in this vanity, but they give you a nice size stainless steel sink. And there is some storage underneath it. Alright, he is going to go out and come through the bedroom hall, and I'm going to go directly into the main bedroom. So this is going to have a queen size bed, north-south bed.
Oh,
Yes. And then on each side, you have these neat little nightstands that pull out and give you some hidden storage. You have these great adjustable areas so they can use for hanging or shelves, or take the shelf out, however you need to do that. Storage up above, and you do have some lights under here.
yeah, I did.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes. Oh, plug-ins on both sides.
Yes.
So you've got that neat hidden storage along with some plug-ins,
Oh, wow.
and then you've got storage underneath, and again you'll see that you have your vent here and it's not in the floor. Now let's see. I think you said this was a 50-amp camper,
Yes.
but I don't know that it's... Well,
Well, I don't-
it has a fan, so you should be able to
It
add a
should,
second AC,
yeah.
since it does have a fan in here. Now, turning around, if you want to bring a TV in here, it'll mount up here in this corner. All right.
Cool.
This is a nice little camper. Now remember, this is dealer stock only, so if you like it, we'll give you this dealership's information, and you may just have to do a little research to find somebody that's got some more.
Did you catch the heating vent down there under the...
Oh, right down there.
Yeah.
So now the burning question, people want to know why we didn't choose this one.
Yep.
There's actually two reasons. And it boils down to personal preference. If you have watched us for any time, you'll know that I'm not a huge fan of a dinette.
No.
I love the idea of an eating area, but I prefer chairs. So that was one of my things that I just didn't go for. The second actually is this area right here. Even though I love having a lot of counter space, this one you kind of have to stand like right in front of your theater seat to reach that corner, and it felt a little awkward. But if you have a half-ton truck and you just need a smaller unit, this would be a great one.
But there's a lot of floor space
There
right
is
here.
a lot of floor space. There's a lot of things to like about this one, and it really was on our list. We did look at this.
Yeah, we really did. This was actually the first floor plan that we looked at.
It was.
Yeah. All right, everybody. If you like this one, like she said, it's dealer stock only. That means it's going away.
It is.
And if you like this unit, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.